my little office corner, and I'm currently working on designing the U-shaped shelf for my column. I recently had a collaboration with Make by Me, which is the 3D software, and it's pretty easy to use. It's very beginner friendly. I love how it shows you all of the plans of like each steps, and they also show you the material, the cut list, cut diagrams, and the tools that you will need for this project. But yeah, one thing I really like about it is that everything just click into place, which I'm pretty sure every other 3D software does that too, but it's just very simple to play around with. But yeah, we're going to make this today. Because I literally have no idea what I'm doing and I feel so cool. I mean, I've used 3D software before, but it's still really hard for me, so I feel like I'm just like playing my little sim. For the material, I'm using birch, and I got it cut last night at Home Depot. But yeah, basically these two pieces are 3 feet by 16.5 inches, and this one is 3 feet by 16 inches. These three, or I guess these 6 pieces are, I believe, 24 by 6 inches. And then I think these are 18 by 6. And for putting them together, I'm basically just going to use wood glue, nails, L-shaped brackets. Yeah, it's going to be really simple. I might paint it, but I think I really like the wood look, so we'll see. This is the column, and it's going to face this way because the entrance door is right here. So when you walked in, you greeted with a little U-shaped shelf. I was going to do it all the way around, but I feel like that's gonna be a little bit more complicated, and also these shelves are in the way, so I'm just doing it like this. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the project. I'm gonna talk a little less because I really want to finish this by Friday. So yeah, let's get started. That's so crazy. Kobe went ahead and draw out these lines. These are gonna be the shelves. They're 4 inches each. These first 3 pieces is gonna be for that one. The other 3 is gonna be for this one, and the last 3 is gonna be for the other one. Let's cut you up. Turns out I don't have screws that are small enough to drill these in, so I'm gonna have to take a break for today. I can't really drive right now because it's a little dangerous to drive because it's freezing outside. So I'm gonna have to go to the store tomorrow and get like smaller screw. See you tomorrow. Look what also came in. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. This is the Billie Eilish new perfume called Your Turn. Didn't film anything for the little strip, but basically I got sandpaper, 220 grit. So the wood, like the shelf can be really smooth. And after that, I'm gonna seal it with the sealant, and then probably gonna sand it down again and then put on a few more coats of these. I also got 1/2-inch screws and some wood fillers. I'm not sure if I want to paint the shelf yet, so for now I think I'm just gonna leave it as is, but I might paint it later. Probably gonna be like blue or something. Let's go ahead and sand these down and then put them together. It's day 3 and the top coat is completely dried. I absolutely love how this turned out. Eventually, I'm gonna cover up all these gaps and paint it, but for now, I'm gonna leave it alone. This is the front of the shelf, and at first I had it on the other side, but I feel like having it over here where my calendar is make more sense. So it's gonna stay here. But yeah, it's time to decorate her. This is pretty much everything I wanted to be on the shelf. We have a little heart cup. We have a lot of ceramic bowl. Over here we have more cup, chasen, a little incense holder. We have this little sculpture that I got from a local coffee shop. We have some candle, more cups. This empty can of Asahi, which I think is really cute, and so I'm gonna use it to decorate. This thing, what else? Yeah. Oh, this cute calendar and daruma. I believe this is what's it called. Daruma. Damaru. Daruma. Yeah. Oh, and also a hirono. And that's it. I absolutely love how this turned out. It's probably the easiest project I've ever done. In total, it probably took me around 4 to 5 hours, but I did take my time to make the shelf, so it took me about 3 days. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching it all the way. I'm gonna be doing a lot more design projects in the future, so stay tuned for that. Eventually, I'm gonna paint this a different color, so if you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!